Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye for you. We've got our beautiful quad color, rainbow quad color. This is a 4-tee, right?
No, I think it was a 3-tee.
3-tee. Beautiful little pleated shirt. Should go with the crossways pleat, I think, on this one, if I remember.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like almost like a peacock feather, but started at the side. I don't know how to explain.
I don't even know. It looks good to me. It'll be interesting no matter what. Look at all that beautiful range of color there, that wonderful gradient on it. Beautiful piece of metal.
Alright, let's go.
To the inside?
Here, I'll get it. I'll get it.
There goes. Come on. It's been a while, people. I'm not as smooth as you normally are.
A while. It's been 1 week.
It's been a week. Got it inside now with the warm water.
I think it turned out good.
Let's get it unbanded.
Ooh, I think it turned out really good.
What we got?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that. Oh, let's see the back. Same way? Oh yeah, good. Transfer to the back. Look at that. That's perfect. Wow. Nice. Off the backboard. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty amazing, if I do say so myself. Look at that beautiful pattern. That nice striation. Look at that. Wow. Good color gradient all the way across. Transitioning all throughout. That's a beautiful little shirt. Came out pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.